If you'd like to try outfit combinations that aren't found in one of the Frump Fighters collections, you can do so by creating and saving custom outfits. To do this, let's navigate to the Outfits page. To begin building an outfit from scratch, tap the pink plus sign at the bottom right-hand corner. From here, you can begin adding pieces by typing them in the Outfit Breakdown dialog box. Let's say you've added some pieces to your closet that aren't part of the Women's Essentials collection. For example, I've added and customized a pair of print pants. So I'll type print pants, select the camo pants. From here, I'll continue typing and selecting pieces I'd like to add to this outfit. Once the outfit is as you'd like it, select the visibility. Either all members, so other members can be inspired by this outfit, or private so it's visible only to you. If you've created a customized calendar, you can also choose to add this outfit to one of those calendars by using the Add to Outfit calendar here. Once you've made all of your selections, tap Save. The interactive will automatically assign a custom outfit number to your outfit, which will have the letter C attached to the outfit number. It will also live under the collection name Custom Member Outfits. Something to note, if your custom outfit's main two pieces match those already saved by another member, your outfit will inherit that pre-existing outfit number. You can also create a custom outfit by starting with an existing Frump Fighters outfit formula. Let's say we want to start with our neutral jeans. We'll use the filters on the left to search for all of the outfits using the neutral jeans. If you're on a phone, you'll need to tap to expand the filters. Let's scroll down and select Outfit 60. To customize the outfit, toggle My Pieces and tap Customize. If you own more than one outfit collection, the Custom Outfit feature allows you to combine pieces from multiple collections to create even more outfit combinations. So instead of the print blouse from the Women's Essentials collection, let's say you own the Women's Business collection as well and want to try the print blouse number 3 instead. We'll tap the X on the print blouse and then use the dialog box to find the print blouse number 3. From here, make any adjustments to the formula that you'd like, choose your visibility, and tap Save. Something important to remember as you're customizing an outfit, let's select 1A here, and swap the fall and winter pants for our print dressy pants from the Women's Business collection. If the combination you've put together matches an existing outfit formula, the interactive will find that formula for you. We see here this combination is Outfit 72 from the Women's Business collection. This pop-up allows you to add all, some, or none of the pieces within the existing formula. When you save your final outfit, it will save as the new outfit number and not a member-created custom outfit. If you want to see custom outfits saved by other members, select Custom Member Outfits from the filters along the left and the Community option along the bottom of the page. This will pull up all of the member-created custom outfits. And to see any of the custom outfits that you've saved, select the Mine option along the bottom of the Outfits page. Be sure that any filter you've selected on the left-hand side of the page is clear to ensure that your saved outfits are displayed. And that is how you create and save custom outfits.